Happy Saturday. It's the weekend. My hair has a life of its own. I got a trim today. So I got a new influencer box in the mail this week. So I see a lot of people post comments on their Instagram saying that, oh, I do the surveys all the time, but I never get boxes. I get boxes all the time from Influencer. I don't do anything special. I just do the surveys, and this is the very first actual video that I've ever made from an influencer box. But I always do post it on my social media and stuff like that, but I'm not like going in and doing extra work on the Influencer app and things. They just send me boxes from Jane Ardell. I'm not sure how to pronounce her last name, but it's a skincare makeup company. LipSense is definitely one of my favorites to wear out just because it does stay all day. Like, it doesn't move. I can wipe it, I can drink, I can have my coffee, I can work out, I can even sleep. Sometimes I wear it overnight, oops. But it does not come off for the most part. So it's a good, if I know I'm going out and I'm doing a lot of things, I definitely do use my LipSense. But I do have a huge makeup collection. I have a ton of lip brands that I wear, and I am excited to try this out. So I got this box in this week. I am opening it now for the first time. So it didn't come in the normal Influencer big box that you usually get that says Influencer with all these colors. It came in just a regular brown box, and then this brown box was inside of it. So when you open it up, it's super cute. It's got this cute tissue packaging, and then the logo on a sticker. There's a glare with a little lavender. Definitely not as fresh as it was, but it's this, you know, real lavender. So you open it up, and the wrapping paper has the branding all on it. And then inside, of course, you always get a little influencer card that tells you about the product. So it says this is the Triple Luxe Long Lasting Naturally Moist Lipstick. So it's supposed to be an all-in-one triple formula that's long-lasting, natural, and moisturizing, hence the name. So I did receive this complimentary to try and review. I've got 3 different shades, but it comes in 15 different shades. They're all a matte finish, and they're supposed to be long-lasting wear. So I'm supposed to go out tonight for sushi, maybe, depending on how my day goes. But maybe I'll wear it tonight and see how long lasting that really is. But it is vegan and cruelty free for those of you that are interested in those types of brands. So let's see the different colors. They actually even came in little boxes. So I got 3 different colors. I got Joanna, Molly, and Natalie. So that is the names of the colors. So I guess they have people names. And then the box is really kind of cute. So you just have this cute little, you know, branding box. Let's open it up. This one is Joanna. So currently I don't have any makeup on my face. I have like all these zits. Oops. Nothing on my face. I do have all my lashes. So if you're in Orlando, go see my girl Erin. She is at Amazing Lash in Dr. Phillips. Phenomenal. Totally worth every penny. Okay, so this is what the lipstick looks like. Super cute, gold. It's a full size. It looks like I got 3 full sizes. So this is the Joanna color. So I'm gonna put this on actually. Let's see what it looks like. It definitely goes on very smooth. Very buttery. So compared to my other lipsticks, it's probably the most like my Ulta lipstick, to be honest. Oh, I do have an NYX Butter. It's not this one, but it's the one in my purse. It's a lot like that. So if you're familiar with the NYX Butter lipsticks, they are very, very smooth. So this is kind of like that. This color in Joanna is like a pink color. I don't see it being long lasting. I really don't. I could be wrong, But knowing my lips and the way it feels right now, I don't see it being very long lasting at all. It definitely comes off. It's not kissable like my lip scents, that's for sure. But no, I don't sell lip scents. I just like it. Guys, I live for these things. So I buy them mostly because when you have false lashes, in case you didn't know this, lash extensions, you cannot wear waterproof makeup. So I did not know that when I went and got them done. When they told me that, I kind of had a panic moment. So that's been a big adjustment for me. I actually got rid of all of my waterproof cosmetics. It was time anyways. You know, you're not supposed to keep your cosmetics for like longer than 6 months. But these are great because I can use my regular eyeliner. My favorite eyeliner, I'm going off on a tangent, sorry. My favorite eyeliner is this one right now. I love this stuff. I also have been using the NYX eyeliner. Take these little wipies and just run it across the lash line without having to touch my lashes, because even though they're stuck. Like my last set lasted me about 3 weeks and was still pretty full. So even though you can touch them, if you rub them too much, of course it comes off, it's glue. So these are fantastic for everything. All right, back to my person name lipsticks. This is Molly. So let's see what Molly has for us. This is a very nude, like a caramel top color. So let's see. This is definitely a color that I could wear every day, like to work even. I work at the gym, so I wear this to work. It's barely visible on me. Like it looks almost the same exact color as my lips. This thing said they're matte, creamy matte, a creamy matte finish. It does not feel or look matte on me. It definitely has a gloss. Definitely does not seem like a matte finish to me. It does say that it's made of waxes and oils, which all lipsticks are made of waxes and oils, but it's supposed to soften, protect, and hydrate the lips. Definitely feeling some hydration, that's for sure. Okay, next. This one is Natalie. So let's meet Natalie and see what she's about. I'm making a mess. Ooh, Natalie is a bright, it looks red, but it's like a bright, very bright pink. Natalie will be my best friend, let me tell you. I feel that. Yep. Natalie and I, BFFs. So with a full face of makeup and a good filter, this is definitely a color that I would wear out a lot. Hi guys, I'm on my way to work. I just wanted to give you an update on the lipsticks. I am wearing the Molly color right now. It's a nice nude. I'm gonna wear it to work today. I did wear the Natalie last night out to dinner. I put it on around maybe 6 or 6:30. We went and had sushi, and I took it off last night, maybe like 11 o'clock. It did stay. The insides, of course, like regular lipsticks, it was starting to like smudge off, but it was pretty much there for the most part. I wish I would have taken a photo. So it does last long. It's not, white proof, kissable, eatable, edible, foolproof type lipstick, but it does stay on for a good time. So I wanted to give you guys an update on my way to work. And yeah, so good brand. Okay, while we're here, I went to Sephora today and Ulta while I was out and about, and they gave me my birthday gifts, which I love. I love that you get little thanks for being a customer. Here's some presents, gifts for your birthday month. I got an IT Superhero mascara. It's a pretty good size. It's not a full size for sure. I probably have worn mascara on my top lashes once in the past maybe month and a half, because with the lashes I just don't need it. I mean, I don't have any mascara on right now. I don't need it. But I do wear it on my bottom lashes when I go out. So we'll add that to the collection. The other thing that I got is actually from Sephora, and it was a cute little box from Bite. I wish I would have kept the box, but it's from Bite, and it came with, it's a lip kit. So I got this cute little package with a lip balm and lip scrub. So it's an agave lip scrub and balm. It's super, super, super cute. And then I also got these cute little, it's a lipstick and then a lip crayon, and they're super matte. They're just very, very black matte. They have the logo on them. You can't really see the logo here, but has the logo, and they're just so cute. I love them. So this one is Glace, I think is how you pronounce this, and this is a matte lip crayon. I don't even know how to get into this thing. Ha! I got it. But it's real cute. I've never really used a lip crayon like this before, a pointy. The only other crayon thing I have is this lippy stick from ColourPop, and it's definitely not a point. It's like a lip shape, I guess. So, really cool. I got a chai lipstick. And it's tiny size, but that's okay, you know. It's real cute. So Bite does have some really dark colors that I would like to purchase. I like my like nudes and my creams and stuff like that for during the day, like at work. But going out, I like my bold lips, which is really, really weird. Funny story about me, last spring, I had a roommate and her mother came to town, and I owned a few lipsticks then, and they were ones that I got in Birchbox boxes, or like Ipsy. I had an Ipsy subscription at the time, things like that. So I didn't go out and purposely buy lipstick. I had bought one red lipstick for New Year's at one point in time. My roommate's mother went out with us, and I got ready, and she's like, "You need some color on those lips. You need some color on those cheeks. You gotta have some color." So put on that red lipstick. I went out. It was fantastic. That was in June. By September, I had a whole collection of lip colors, and it just keeps getting bigger. So shout out to Lonnie's mom for giving me color in my life. So I want to try this lip crayon real fast. I am digging everything about this. The way it glides on. It tastes pretty good. Don't eat lipstick, but you know, it happens. And it feels fantastic. And I like the color. I know I said that already, but I like the color. So anyways, y'all, thanks for watching my Influenster box review, as well as my other ramblings for this video. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will catch you some other time with some other review about some other thing. Or maybe a workout, or maybe some cooking. Who knows? Try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go check out all the links down below for products that I'm a huge, huge fan of. And shoot me any questions.